Hey guys, welcome to my reaction video. Today we'll be reacting to Yellow Demon's videos. But first I need to type Yellow demon666 because that is his channel. Okay, let's do this. Huh? Okay. Okay, so I'm on his channel right now. I'm gonna turn on his notifications. But he's definitely not gonna upload any videos because he left and I don't even know. Anyways, let me turn the volume up. What you said? I don't know. No. I made him a funny joke. I made a funny joke on my dad because he was trying to let me read Quran. I thought we were United States. That's kind of strange. I don't even know. I know everything. Calm down. Come on, why you just don't do it by yourself? Why you don't want to do it by yourself? I'm a kid, you're an adult, you're tall enough, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so now let's do it. Anyways, guys, ignore my mom because I don't know. Anyways, let's react.
I can't leave yet. I'm gonna make a YouTube video. Wait, I forgot to check on my buddy. Oh, Anthony. If only you forgot me to give me someone that is with my buddy. I'm gonna...
Okay, so it looks like he was having eyeballs, but I don't have eyeballs. I don't even know. Let's check another video.
I'm so mad at all of you because you hate Joy from being a maiden, and now you hate me.
I don't even know what his that means.
That might be a gift.
Let's get another video.
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
Okay, let's hear the
Pet
video.
me. If you pet me, I'm gonna bite you. I will.
This tablet smells like poop.
You pet me, I bite you. Pet
Are you
me.
kidding me?
If you pet me.
Whoa. Let me like your video. This video. And that video.
I can't.
Pet me. If you pet me,
Maybe I like your video. Radford fit by killing somebody that I messed up in my body? Dude, you actually put the bad word. You know what? I'm not liking the video.
Are you kidding me? Oh yeah? Watch me beat you. Come on, Yellow. Come on, Cookies. Ow! Hey guys, no fighting while we're watching a fight. Let's just start the battle already. Alright, let's go. Oh! No, I'm gonna teleport over there. This is gonna be hilarious. Wait, what? My eyes! Ow! You know what? I'm gonna get back at you. I'm not a coward. That was really hard. live coach. Mentality.
Man, I can't believe that yellow demon just already killed Cookies. Man, I'm not liking your video. Huh? Yes, sir. And I'm taking films. Man, it's just music having bad words because I'm not probably sure, but I'm not liking a video because it has bad words.
No, puppies, come on.
What is it, Yellow? Oh my god, the people in there are fighting, so I'm just gonna stay here because I'm tough and strong. Oh, okay. Oh my god, get in here. Can one of you help me out here? Okay. Here you go. Do more. Okay. Want me to rip this up? Yes. Okay, here you go. I removed all the stuff so you can press it. Ow! Oh my god. What the heck was that for? It made me angry.
Okay. Maybe I like the video.
No, puppies, come on.
When somebody messes up my buddy, I didn't mess up with you. That's my voice.
Yep, that's my voice.
I like the video.
La 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 la.
Dog.
Dog. Woof woof. Wait a minute. Okay, let's get this off. Bark. La 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 la. Okay. I'll wait till to see off. Okay. Let's see what this is. There's your monster. Come here. Oh my gosh.
Oh, he ripped the paper, and he's cutting it.
What's the first word that comes to your mind when you look at me?
What do you mean?
What's...
I don't even know what that means. I'm not liking the video. Girl that follow the people and Anthony Royal?
What do you mean you broke my phone? Why would you do this? Because I wanted to. But why? Because I won't stand you living now. Well, I'm gonna beat you up. But this camera right there is on. It looks like it's turned off.
Anyway, guys.
Did you do it on purpose? No. Well, I'm still gonna beat you up. Come back here.
Okay.
Okay, guys. You see, I have my own YouTube channel now. Because I wanted to make one. So,
Okay, I think this is your first YouTube video. I'm gonna like the video. So I think this is all YouTube videos, what I have. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. See you guys in the next video.